In this video, we'll show you how to replace the blade on your 25-inch dual blade mower. This guide can be followed for all 60-volt and 80-volt models. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Before performing maintenance, the power source must be disconnected. Customers are also encouraged to wear safety gloves. Tools required: you will need an 18mm wrench and a 19mm wrench. You will also need a brace for the blade. For this video, we'll be using a piece of wood. Let's get started. Using the handle release on each handle, pull up and fold the handles over. Remove the mulch plug. Place the unit in a vertical position and ensure that it is sturdy before proceeding. Note the orientation of the blades. Blades must be installed perpendicular to each other. In this video, we'll replace the right side blade first. Insert the brace to prevent the blade from moving. Using the 19mm wrench, remove the nut, then take off the washer and the blade. Do not remove the blade mount. Moving to the left side, use the 18mm wrench to remove the nut on the blade. Reposition the brace. This is a reverse threaded nut, meaning that it needs to be turned clockwise to be removed. Once the nut has been removed, take off the washer and blade. Leave the blade mount in place. Keep track of what side the nuts came off of. The new blades will be installed using the same hardware. Installing new blades. Starting on the left side, align the cutouts on the new blade with the blade mount. Reinstall the washer and firmly tighten the correct nut using the wrench and brace. Repeat this process on the other side. Remove the brace. To learn more about your unit, including assembly, operation, and maintenance, visit the GREENWORKS Tools YouTube channel. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS lawnmower will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.